Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just hope you guys like my videos and here I am with my new video. Guys, I just received many DMs of you guys asking me about my favorite brand of clothing. So I just hope you guys now you know what's my favorite brand, that is Shein. So here I am with my Shein haul. So I just hope you guys like it and you well know my favorite brand clothes now. Here I am with the Shein products I bought from Shein. So let's get in the video. And guys, before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Yes guys, let's get in the video. So guys, my first product from Shein is this cute little top with a pastel pink color. That is my favorite color. So yes guys, I just want to say you guys that I love pastel pink color, and this top name is the stripped lettuce trim rib knit top. I got this top for rupees 422 and I got this top in S size. Guys, I just love rib knit tops of Shein because they just fit into the body, and girls obviously like the body fitted tops. So yeah, and guys, you can style this top with a pencil skirt or jeans or denim jacket or denim jeans. Yeah, my second product is this one. I just love crop tees. So yes, this is the one. You guys don't know. So yeah, this top, I just love this t-shirt because I just wanted some cute little tops and t-shirts from Shein, because they have a wide range of products in crop tops, in rib knit tops, and they are very much. So yeah, this is a rib knitted crop tee. Guys, I'll put the link of every product I'm showing in this video in my description box below. So you can get there and get the link of any product you like from this. Guys, I just love this top, and this costed me for rupees 397, and I got the size in this, that is XS. Sorry guys, I'm just seeing the size because Shein का size मुझे S या XS आता है, तो उसमें से ही एक ये है. Yeah, I just want to say that I just love crop tees, that's why I bought this. And yes guys, you can pair this t-shirt with your jeans or your 3/4 and the pencil skirts, lowers, and actually the rib knit top gives you the body fitted look, as I said before. So yeah, you can pair this with anything because it's body fit, and body fit clothes can fit in with anything. So yeah. So guys, my third product is this turtleneck. This is called the turtleneck, that is the high neck. So the turtleneck rib knit solid top. Guys, this is a full sleeved top firstly, and I just want to say that this top has many color choices in Shein, so you can go and check it out there. And this top cost me for rupees 594, and the size for this top is M. Guys, you would be thinking about like अभी मेरा S भी आ गया, XS भी आ गया and M भी आ गया. So guys, I just want to say for that कि ये इसलिए है क्योंकि Shein के जो साइज चार्ट है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू एवरी टॉप वो डिफरेंट है, एंड आप उसमें जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. तो आपको अपने बस्ट साइज एंड आपको अपने बॉडी फिट टॉप के अकॉर्डिंग देखना ही पड़ेगा. लाइक आई सेड इट बिफोर दैट आई लव बॉडी फिट, सो इतना भी नहीं कि वो मेरे टाइट लगे, बट इतना कि वो मेरे फिट हो और अच्छा लगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई गेट दिस वन इन M, so that I can get in fit properly, not a tight fit. So yeah, guys, I just can wear this top with the jeans or a pencil skirt, and in that only it would look good actually, because I have tried these two right now. So yeah, guys, the next one from Shein is this white top. This is a stripped Y back cami top, and guys, अभी तक मैंने 4 प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए हैं, जिसमें से ये थर्ड प्रोडक्ट है स्ट्रिप्स वाला. सो आई वांट टू से दैट मेरा जो शीन कलेक्शन है वो बहुत ही लिमिटेड चॉइसेस का है, तो आपको उसमें कुछ कुछ सिमिलैरिटीज दिख सकती है. सो दिस इज द वन similarities, that is strips on the top. So yeah, so getting back to the product, this product is stripped Y back cami top, and I just love cami tops and sleeveless tops a lot much, so this was the one of them. So guys, I just bought this top in S size, and the cost would be for this is 431, I guess. I'm not that sure. I just know the 420 and 431, so I'm just confusing them. So yeah, 431 for this, I guess, or I'll just put the link in description box below so you can check. So yeah, this was it. Guys, you can pair this top with jeans or shorts or maybe skirt, because I've just tried it with my shorts and jeans. So yeah, but it's a cami top, so you guys can just check it out with everything, because cami tops actually look very good with every jeans or the lower or whatever you wear. So yeah, this was it for this. My next product from Shein is this cute little top from Shein. The name of this top is Frill Trim Sheer Bartod Crop Top. Oh my god, इतना लंबा नाम, but मैंने अच्छे से ले लिया finally. So guys, I just bought this top in S size of rupees 639. Yes. Guys, मुझे एक्यूरेट प्राइस याद करने में थोड़ा टाइम लगा, बिकॉज सबके ऐसे अप डाउन है, ऐसा कोई फिक्स नहीं है 399, 350 या ऐसा कुछ, ताकि वो याद रह जाए. सो या इसलिए this one is of rupees 637, and I just love this top because it's body fit, off shoulder and crop. Yes, it's not in ribbon, that's why I just chose this frill trim top. So yeah, guys, you can just pair this this top with your skirt, that is a pencil skirt that I wore in my Miniso video. या गाइज आई नो, मैं इसी एक वीडियो में 2 बार मिनीसो हॉल को प्रमोट कर चुकी हूँ. तो गाइज आई जस्ट वांट टू से, अगर किसी ने मिनीसो हॉल नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ गाइज जाके देखिए. लिंक मेरी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में होगा, तो प्लीज़ गाइज प्लीज़ देखिएगा, एंड अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक भी करिएगा. सो या, मूविंग ऑन टू माई टॉप. I just wore this top in my Miniso video, and I just paired this top with my pencil skirt in that, and I just love this top. So yeah, guys, my next product is that they are the 2 bralettes with a lace net. I just bought them in 2 colors. That was a pair. The one is this black, and the other one is the other one is this white. So I just bought in black and white because I just love black and white color, and I just love them because of the lace, and back laced है and front makeups है, and I just loved it. So yeah, you guys can pair them also in प्लाजो. मैंने अपने प्लाजो के साथ भी इसको पेयर किया है. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys would know that I wore these 2 in my pics, and I paired one black one in with my I guess the pencil skirt, and white one with my yellow plazo. So you guys can go there and check it out. So yeah, this was it. You can pair them with plazo lowers or pencil skirts, jeans, whatever you want to. They act like the top also, because they are not that kind of a bra type of things. So yeah, they are the bralettes, and they look pretty cool in pictures. So you can check it out. Thank you.